short unboxing and quick review about this ROMISA knee brace with near infrared light therapy. It says red light therapy, vibration massage, cordless and lightweight LED touch screen. Of course, I've already been using that, so I wanted to show you what you get, how to use it, all different functions, how it looks. And so here we have the main device. I would say makes a good impression. It's pretty solid. It has these flexible straps. They are a little bit flexible, not extremely flexible. Also the second one, we have this Velcro here, so you can wrap it around your knee, then push it through this buckle here, bend it back and secure it. You can see it has a really nice hold that definitely works. Texture is really nice, it has a lot of cushion here, not so much here inside, of course, because we have the contact here for the vibration. We also have the light here. That's what I want to show. By the way, here the main device, the controller here is secured here nicely on top. Down here we have the charging port, and something really important to know. They are talking about wireless and they are talking about recharging, but it's not wireless recharging. So you cannot hold a wireless charging power bank here on top or so and it would start charging. No, it's not doing. You definitely need a USB-A to USB-C cable. That's already included here in the set. Charging time is around 2 hours. I think runtime is also pretty decent. Large battery here inside. To turn it on, we have to long press this button here on top. You can see there is some light here. I think that's also an indicator of the charge. You can also see that during charging, and then it starts working automatically with the vibration and the infrared light. And you can see it's nicely bendable also with these LED lights here. By the way, we have this controller, so with the M we can change the vibration. So we have 3 different levels. That's the lowest level, then the medium level, highest level, and when we push again, the vibration will stop. So you can also use the infrared light without the vibration, which is a good thing. And we have also a plus and a minus to control the intensity of the infrared light. So I change this here. Now it's off. Then I start level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the most intense near infrared light. And when I go to level 6, it's not increasing the light, but it starts actually pulsing. So especially if you think it's too hot or so, which actually never was in my case, but if you have very sensitive skin or so and you think it could be too hot, you can use this one here. So it's just using this pulsing, which of course is then emitting less heat, but we can also stop it completely. When we are on level 1, we press the minus again, then stops completely with the LED light, and then we can start, for example, the vibration. Now you can see there's only vibration, there's no light, so we can use both the vibration and the near infrared light totally independently. We can use it combined or just either or. By the way, also very important and helpful function, that's the lock here. So we can just push once and then it shows this red lock icon. So no matter what you do here, no matter where you touch, it won't change anything. So by the way, this is not a sponsored review. I bought it for my wife. I paid full price and I'm going to send it back. And the reason why I'm going to send it back is this one here. The construction here inside, it's super rough here. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe when I bend this a little bit around, maybe here, especially in this area, you can see there is very hard stuff here inside, and not only the LED beads. Of course, this cannot be avoided, that you can feel maybe a little bit the LED beads, but there is much more, especially here, I think in this middle section where we have these 2 parts which are doing the vibration, and there are really a lot elevated here. Maybe when I push down, you can see that here a little bit. And so these two areas are pushing really hard against the knee from the front. And so especially if you had an accident or so and you hit your knee and it's very sensitive in the front, this could definitely be too much. So you really have to be aware of that. Other than that, here in these areas, there's just the LED beads, which is not too crazy, but these two heavy bumps for the vibration that could cause a lot of pain. I don't know if there's something better than that. Maybe an idea, if you don't need the vibration, maybe look for something without vibration. Don't always go for the maximum function. If you don't need vibration, maybe really search for something which has only the LED lights and no vibration. This could be then much softer, easier and more comfortable to wear. So definitely not full recommendation from my side. If you're still interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and do whatever you want. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.